Oh, we're on a massive adventure today. We're in unfamiliar territory with a totally different setup than normal. Got the old Silverado out. We're headed to the Cohutta Wilderness in North Georgia. All right, I have to keep reminding myself.
Continue on Old Highway 2 for 1 mile.
That I'm not in one of my smaller vehicles, because I keep wanting to turn down these little very small off-road trails. I'm just not used to driving a big truck like this off-road. Got to stick with the task at hand. Here we go. This could get really fun. This road is really not that rough, but in this truck it is. This truck is stiff. This road is very narrow, and it's probably not that rough, but in that beast, it's rough. That is a rough riding truck right there. Anyway, this is a little trailhead parking area, and there's nobody here. So I'm hoping that the campground that I'm headed to is empty. I usually like to do these little trips through the week. Got eggs back there in the cooler, so I hope they're not broken. I hope they're surviving okay. Well, I've driven several miles very slow up this gravel road, headed south, deeper into Georgia. Definitely better shifted into four-wheel drive, because we're not getting that crazy wheel hop, which has probably cracked all my eggs back here. We got to give that transmission a break. I mean, it ain't overheated, but it's up to 192. I don't know if that's good or bad. Look at that right there. Well, we've made it to a campground, and it must be around the corner. Or straight down that mountain. I think I'm gonna find a campsite and just chill out for a while. Grab a bite to eat, because I'm getting hungry, and figure out how I'm gonna sleep in this bad boy. We're sleeping in the back seat. Well, I get a pretty good vibe at this place, so I think I'm going to stay here at the Lake Cohutta campground. Here, I'll show it to you. This is where I'm sleeping tonight. Looks pretty cozy, don't it? A little lake hike here. Yeah, I'm whispering because y'all know I don't like talking in crowded places. This campground is crowded. And I got screaming kids right next to me. Right next to my site. Yay. On the lookout for critters. Seen frogs. Usually if you see frogs, there's snakes. Y'all know I love snakes. Well, I guess I'm narrating this video from the truck, and I know I've told you how I don't like the quiet camping videos. And I've had to make one because the campsites are right on top of each other. You can pretty much hear everything everybody's saying. Pretty sure it'll be a little bit more comfortable than the Jeep. Sleeping in the front seat. So I need to make a setup for the Jeep. And I have a plan. Just need to go through with it. I am back here in the cozy back seat of the truck. I'm about to crash out. Got everything back here that I would possibly need. We'll go explore a little bit tomorrow, and it's in the flick of an eye, it'll be morning, and we'll make some coffee. Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci, Armani, TNP 5150 shop, all top innovators in the world of fashion. Football season's coming up. You get ready to go to the big backyard barbecue. Everybody's gonna be there. Imagine wearing your TNP 5150 Skull and Bones shirt or your Outsider Skull and Bones shirt with your best denim shorts, your brand new white New Balance tennis shoes. This t-shirt right here is gonna give you the confidence to walk up and say, "Hey bish, give me them digits." She'll be like, "Oh, I'm interested. Maybe we should go back to your place." You know, that's a probability that could happen. I mean, what woman could turn down a man in a TNP 5150 t-shirt and a pair of white New Balance tennis shoes, some blue jean shorts? And these t-shirts are made from the finest pelts from around the world. And we also have these cool hats. Wear the hat for 2 months, send it to you with the sweat rings already on it. It's called the distressed look. So the hat will already be sweaty when you get it. TNP5150shop.com. Anything you buy will be appreciated. There's so much more on there than just these few items that I've showed you. Enough of this crap. Back to the video. The night that wouldn't end, y'all. I'm up. It's about 6:30 a.m. I'm gonna get moving here and make some coffee, and we'll go find something to do. Like there might be a storm moving in. And one more cup of coffee and I'm gonna get this show on the road. Look how dark it is at 8:15 a.m. Well, that was a fun night of camping, and even though there was a lot of people there, I still felt a little bit more secure, because if a bear did decide to come through the camp, most likely he'd go over there to where those kids dropped food on the ground and not come near my side. I know that's a bad thing to say. You have to go through a mud hole. That's like required footage now. The horse flies are terrible. Every time I roll my windows down, 2 of them come in. When it gets a little colder, I'll do some hiking. I'm just not a fan of hiking when it's 100 degrees. It has to be below 60 degrees for me to do any hiking. Well, we're not going to let a little downpour stop us from seeing this little waterfall. Oh, the rainforest of the South. That's a cold rain. Someone has set them up a nice little camping area here. Wow, that's cool. Next to the creek. I always wonder about little places like that out here in the middle of nowhere. It kind of looks like a, could have been a national forest ranger cabin or something. Tree fell right into the middle of it. Well, I'm not feeling that adventurous today to go over there and try to go in it, so we'll just skip it for now. Remember that, y'all. Don't feed the wildlife. Storm is rolling in here. What if we got our usage out of the truck? Got it dirty. That was the whole point of this whole trip. Sleep in it, get it dirty. Well, if you made it this far into the video and you didn't click off during the little commercial, then I appreciate that. But anything you buy off there helps the channel. But if you don't want to buy, also helps the channel, hitting that like button and comment and subscribe. That helps YouTube, pushes the video out there to more people if you do that, so I would appreciate it. All comments are welcome. I don't get that many comments on my videos, so yeah, if you want to comment, then go right ahead. Alright guys, this is a good place to end it. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Got my heart no